up guys, I'm here with Antonio Rose Punch in Italy, in Bari. It's amazing, I love it here. So we're gonna do a challenge, Croatian challenge, like he will try to pronounce some Croatian words. So here you go. Okay, so let's try it.
Yeah, okay, let's try this.
So, slika.
Slika is a fish.
Fish?
Yeah, slika.
No.
Yeah, I'm sure.
No.
I hit a slika yesterday.
Slika is no.
No?
It's a picture.
Oh, what the heck? Yeah,
Yeah.
really? Slika. Okay, that's cool actually, yeah. Slika. Slika.
No, like,
Like this?
no, like slika.
Slika.
Slika, yes.
Okay, yeah, slika. Yeah.
Ljudi?
Ljudi is love.
No. It's like people.
People?
Yes.
Ljudi?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's impossible. Yeah, okay, ljudi. Yeah.
Piletina.
What?
It's
Piletina?
yes, piletina.
Piletina? It's
Is that it? Pronounce it one more time.
Piletina.
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 Not with piletina. It's piletina.
Piletina.
Okay, piletina.
I think piletina is
I will help you. It's a food.
it's a food.
Yes.
It's beef.
No, it's like a chicken.
Chicken?
Yes. Kokoš.
Kokoš?
Yes.
Kokoš.
Kokoš.
It's coconut.
No.
That's not coconut?
No. It's an animal.
It's an animal?
Yes.
Okay. Wait.
You go. You go.
I got it.
Okay,
I got it.
let's
I
go.
got it. It's cat.
No.
It's dog.
No.
It's horse.
No.
Wait. Tell it again.
Kokoš.
Kokoš. Kokoš is snake.
No. Okay, can I tell you?
Bunny.
No.
What the heck?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's a chicken.
No. Okay. Chicken.
Yes. Cvijeće.
What?
Face like
Cvieće?
cvijeće.
Cvieće.
Cvijeće.
Cvieće. Cvieće.
Cvijeće.
Okay, can you give me a little tip? A little help?
When you, I don't know, like someone, you will bring them cvijeće.
Flowers.
Yes.
Oh,
you go,
yeah. Finally!
Yes. Vrećica.
Vrećica.
Yes, vrećica. You're like vrećica.
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 Okay. Vrećica is... what could be vrećica? Vrećica... Vrećica.
Yes.
Give me a little help, just little.
Well, you put things in it.
It's bag.
It's a bag, yeah.
Yeah!
The bag you put like when you go to store.
Okay,
It's not the
okay,
bag,
yeah, okay. Woo!
Tenisice.
No.
Oh,
Again, please.
Tenisice.
Tenisice.
Yes, tenisice.
It's tenisice.
Yes. It could be like tenisica or
Tenisice.
yes, tenisice.
So it could be male or female.
No, oh my god, this is so funny. No.
Or is this
No, it's
one or more?
yes.
Okay.
More. No.
Tenisice.
Yes.
It's
This is so funny.
wait, tenisice.
Oh,
I don't know, little help, but not so much, just little.
oh wait.
Okay.
I was like checking some out like.
Checking the tenisice.
Yes, I was checking so like. I was
So
like,
much tenisice.
Yes.
Water.
No,
No.
water.
Tenisice. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god. I know this tenisice. Shoes.
Yes, you go. Bravo.
Oh, grazie.
There you go.
Grazie.
Volim te.
Oh, what?
Well, I don't, but no, I'm just kidding. If I do, but not like that. Okay, so volim te.
Volente?
Yes.
Volente.
Yeah. It's a. You have to know this one. It's like you must. Yes.
Volente.
Like Antonio.
Yeah?
Volim te.
Volente. I can. No. Volente. You give me a little help?
Oh my god. If you're like in love, you say like
Just I love you.
yes.
Oh, volente?
Yes.
It's pretty cool actually. Volente.
Lijepa si.
Lijepa si.
Yes.
It's
You know this one.
yeah, dinner.
No!
It's not dinner, nije pasi?
No! Seriously?
Yeah.
No!
It's not dinner.
No!
Nije pasi is...
Oh my god, seriously?
You told me already about this?
No, I didn't, but...
Okay, they give me help.
Okay, so you're with the girl and you tell her like, Lijep si. She'll be like, oh, thank you so much.
Oh, you are cute.
Not cute.
Kind.
No.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Palacinke.
Palacinke.
Yes.
Palacinke.
Oh, I love this one.
It's like...
It's a food.
It's a food?
Yes.
It's spaghetti.
No.
Because spaghetti is spaghetti everywhere. Wait, can you repeat it again? Pacinke, right? No, which one?
Palacinke.
Palacinke, okay.
Pacinke.
Pacinke.
I love it.
Palacinke,
Yes,
okay.
Palacinke.
Let me focus.
Well, it's really tasty.
Ice cream.
No.
Cake?
No. I'd eat it like with Nutella.
Oh, the bread? No, help me a little bit more.
People eat it like a big, like a 1,
Oh,
2, 3.
oh, yeah. Pancakes.
Yes.
Yeah!
Yeah. So guys, that's it. You can check the other challenge with Antonio Rospas on his channel. We will see you guys later. Bye bye.